G'day trendsetters, today I want to find out if this WD-40 Specialist Lawn and Garden Powerful Foam Cleaner works. And to save you a lot of mucking around, it does work. I've used it on my secateurs. But I've got these old pair of hand shears, which probably have never been cleaned since I've owned them. And it's pretty straightforward. It's just you got to spray it on and it foams right up, which is all part of the cleaning motion apparently. Let it sit, stop foaming, and I have got some soapy stylo wool, which is how I usually clean them. But this just, look at that. I've never removed gum that easy before. Whoa. It has a water-based citrus formula, and you can smell the citrusy smell. I don't know if there's any advantage in that, but it's nice to use. Gotta be careful. These aren't sharp, but by any stretch of the imagination, it looks like my next job is sharpening my hand shears. But they come up. They're still just along that leading edge. I just don't want to slice my finger open. There, now we got it. Beautiful. So, for the sake of the story, where'd I get it? I was just walking around the Bunnings garden section, as gardeners are prone to doing, and it was just sitting on a display thing, and I thought, well, let's give it a go, which is what we're doing, and it works. Works rather well, I think. Look at that, beautiful. Give them a nice sharpen. I've got a nice little diamond sharpener. It's at work, so I'll have to bring it home with me tomorrow. Sharpen those up, and I've got a bit of hedging to do. And when I'm finished, I can clean them. I hope you found this interesting and helpful. If you have, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Help me to spread the word and get more videos like this made. Ooh, the foam's pretty effective. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Can you see that? Whoops, they're all dirty in there now. Look at that. Blunt as. I didn't realise that was so blunt. Any wonder I have trouble cutting my hedges. Pays to check your tools from time to time. Alright, cheers.